How do you take something that people love and make it better? We're Tripped, and we've been taking the stress out of packing since 2017. You asked and we answered. This mesh set takes all of our customer feedback and turns it into one product. This set includes 2 of the customer favorite extra large sizes and combines it with a soft, see-through mesh fabric so there's no more searching through multiple cubes for your favorite shirt. Organize your cubes by type of clothing or by outfit, then use the double zipper system to compress everything down, packing less of your suitcase with air and more with your clothes. You'll love the see-through mesh even more on your trip to quickly identify where your items are inside your suitcase. Then, when you're home, throw them on a cold hand wash cycle, lay them out to dry, and keep them handy for your next adventure. We can't ensure you left for the airport on time, but packing? Now that's the easy part.